Hey, what is up? No more bags this time. We are on our way to Cretya Ubud. I'm gonna try out their pool. Hopefully we have an area where we can leave our stuff, because we didn't really reserve a table. We're only here for like 10 minutes because it's very hot. So we just want to try the pool with a view. Anyways, it's here. Where's the pool access? Alright, I think we go here for the pool. Oh, over there. Alright. Pool access is over here, guys. Okay. Okay, he's gonna go to the washroom, guys. And I'm gonna go down here to where the pool is. Let's see. And there it is. And there's the pool area. Not sure where we can leave our stuff here. Ah, there's like a locker system right here. Okay, there's the shower. Responsible for any loss, damage around the swimming pool. Only a place for your belongings. Okay. Essentially, leave at your own risk. Anyways, here's the pool, guys. Look at that. It's like more down there. It's better to go down. Look at this. That's a prime spot right there. I think you have to like reserve that one. Let's see. Let's try going down. I think there's a little bit less people down there. Alrighty. And here it is. Here's the second area. It's also full of people. Ah yeah, it's right here. Okay, so there's the top one, there's the second one, and then there's even more down there. And of course you can leave your stuff here. Slippers. Not sure if I want to leave my bag though. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for my friend. Then we'll see if we can leave our stuff behind. Maybe if we get a table. If we get a table, maybe we can leave our stuff. Oh, but I think these are reserved tables. That's okay. What I'll do is I'll leave my stuff inside inside my shirt, and I'll put it on the thing there with the hat and everything. So I don't think anyone's gonna steal that. Fun, it's fun. It's very fun. I know there's a lot of people, but there are still spaces for us, so it's pretty good. There's even more space down here. So if we go down here, we can go there, enjoy the pool. I need to look for my friend because we're gonna swim together. Okay, let's go back out first. Sorry.
It's quite slick. I know, I just said
Definitely lots of views here. Okay, where did he go? I don't know where he went. There's a shower over here. Oh, there he is.
I was looking for you.
Yeah, man, same. So
you went down there.
Yeah, so at the bottom it's full, but on the top of the slippers thing,
Yeah.
I think we can put our stuff there. Yeah, let's just go. I think there's less people down there because you have to like go down, but right here is full. And I think there's more shade here, so we're okay right here. So if we can just move this a little bit. Yeah, we'll take this. Yeah, we'll take this spot. Alright, we're about to go to the pool, guys. We're about to go to the pool. Okay, it's a bit cold. Woo. It's actually cold, man. Wow. It's fucking cold. Woo. Ooh, wow. Oh my god, there we go. Here we go, guys. Cretya Ubud. There you go. Yeah, I mean it's a nice day club. I mean if you have your own bed, then you know, you can go here with a peace of mind. But we have a driver, and I could have actually just left my stuff with him. I'm just too lazy to go up because it's it's quite the hike from here. But we should be fine. I mean, we can see our stuff. It's just back there, right there. And okay, let's go towards that area over there. Let's go. Oh, very nice. My head already have what do you call that, sunburn on my head. So let's go here. Wow. Ooh. Okay. There you go. Perfect. There's like a shade over here. And more people over here. Let's go over there. Try to see if we can see the rice fields from here. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely see the rice fields from here. It's a perfect spot. It'd been more perfect over there, but it's kind of full. Maybe when people move. But I don't think they're moving anytime soon. Alright, excited to see. Oh guys, okay. Let's try to go over there. Over here. Try to see if there's more view here. Ouch. Let's see. Okay, just more forest. There you go. Let's try this part here. Okay. Cool. Very nice. Right, let's go back to our spot over there. Maybe I can scoot over here real quick. Sorry. Make a different view. Very nice. It's an awesome day club. Woo. Wow. Ooh. But the droplets from above there. Music. They started blasting music now, so I think I'll end the vlog here. I can't have music on my my video, so I'll see you guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys like the Cretya Ubud and Tegalalang rice fields. Where's our car?
All the black cars.
Oh, we're finding our car. Anyways, hope you guys like that. We're gonna go to a different place this time. Maybe it's gonna be in the next video, maybe not. Anyways, you guys know what to do. Leave a like and subscribe. Anyways, peace out.